If I told you that in 2026, you could either work all day or let AI work for you, and both could make money? But here's the real question. Which one actually earns more? So I decided to test it. For the next 7 days, I ran an experiment. On one side, real work, grinding, working manually, doing everything myself. On the other side, AI-powered work, using tools to automate, speed up, and scale. Same time, same effort, same goal. Make as much money as possible. And the results? Honestly, not what I expected. Before we start, here are the rules. I gave myself 7 days. No existing audience. No paid ads. No team. Just a laptop, internet, and time. Now I split everything into 2 categories. Real work side. Manual freelancing. Writing everything myself. Designing without AI. Basic online tasks. AI work side. AI content generation. AI design tools. AI video creation. Automated workflows. The goal wasn't just to make money. It was to see which method is faster, which one is easier, and which one actually scales. Day 1, starting from 0. Day 1 was rough. No income, no clients, no traffic. On the real work side, I started offering writing services. But writing manually takes time. Every sentence, every idea. I had to think, write, edit. On the AI side, things moved faster. I used AI tools to generate content ideas, draft articles, and create samples. Within hours, I had more content ready than I could manually create in a full day. But still, zero money. Days 2 and 3 were frustrating. On both sides, nothing. No orders, no messages, no results. And this is where most people quit. But here's where things started to shift. Real work side. I improved my writing. Better formatting. Cleaner structure. But it was slow. AI side. I refined prompts. Generated better samples. Created more variations. And here's the difference. AI allowed me to test faster, while real work felt like 1 attempt at a time. AI felt like 10 attempts in the same time. Still no money, but momentum was building. Day 4, everything changed. On the AI side, I got my first message. A potential client. I responded quickly, generated a custom sample using AI, and sent it within minutes. And that speed mattered, because I got my first order. Not huge, but real. Meanwhile, on the real work side, still nothing. Same effort, same time, different result. Day 5, now things got interesting. AI side, completed first order fast. Got a positive response. Received another inquiry. More work, more opportunities. Real work side. Finally, I got my first small task. But here's the problem. It took longer. Writing manually, editing manually. Everything slowed down delivery. So while AI side completed multiple tasks, real work side was still finishing one. Day 6 made the difference clear. AI side, faster output, more clients, better response rate. Because I could deliver quickly, offer more variations, scale my work. Real work side, still limited, not because it doesn't work, but because time equals limit. You can only do so much manually. After 7 days, here's what happened. Real work, fewer tasks completed, lower total earnings, more effort required. AI work, more tasks completed, higher earnings, faster delivery. Now, let's be clear. AI didn't magically print money, but it gave one advantage: speed. And in online income, speed equals opportunity. Reality check. Let's not get carried away. AI is powerful, but it's not a shortcut to instant success. If you don't, learn basic skills, improve your output, understand what people need, then AI won't help. But if you use it correctly, it becomes a multiplier, not a replacement. What actually matters? After this experiment, I realized something important. It's not about AI versus real work. It's about how you use your time. Real work builds skill. AI speeds up execution. The best approach? Combine both. Use AI to move faster, and your brain to move smarter. Final verdict. So who earned more? AI work. But not because AI is better, because it allowed more action in less time. And in the online world, the more you try, the more chances you have to win. So here's your takeaway. Don't ignore AI. Don't depend on it blindly. Use it, test it, build with it. And if you want more real experiments like this, subscribe and start building your income the smart way.